that hunt foxes. Foxhounds were the first canine breed in Britain to be dominated by scientific breeding. Ancient dogs like the southern hound and bloodhound had been used, but at the end of the 17th century, something new was needed to track down the wild deer that had spread out over the country during Cromwell's Civil War. The need for a faster hound than what was available led to the breeding of this breed by hunters. Head: somewhat broad, not pointed like a bloodhound, but long from the top to the frontal bones, prominent eyebrows, cheeks cut clean from the eye to the nostril, ears set low, ears in their natural state are thin and shaped, the nose is large, the jaw is strong and level, small dewlaps, expression is fierce and, in the best cases, often repulsive. Eyes: extremely vivid and penetrating, with an air of unwavering resolve. The foxhound has a striking appearance. The neck area must be spotless with no loose skin. How long one's neck is affected one's ability to stoop and one's ability to project an air of authority. Shoulders: blades should slant but otherwise be broad and sturdy, to match the long, muscular arms. Reduced mobility in the lower extremities. The length of the bone from the upper arm to the ankles should be uniform in size and shape. The toes should be extremely powerful, round, and cat-shaped, and every toe should be clean and set as if it were. The knee should be almost flat and level. Coat: the hair is coarse, yet it's cut short and sleek, and the texture is as bristly as it is well arranged. Color: Belvoir tan is characterized by its evenly distributed brown and black coloration and its assortment of white patterns. A really impenetrable and transparent white is required. Patterns of tan on the head and stifles contrast with the black and white body. Pied badgers are a shade between gray and white. Lemon pie is a pastel shade of yellow and white. A deeper version of the classic yellow and white pattern, the hare pied is a darker shade of both. Dogs are between 23.5 and 24 inches, and bitches are between 22 and 22.5 inches in height.